Hello everyone, what's up? Here's the site, and in this video I'm going to talk about, is AI content really penalized? See, I know there has been a bit debate and stuff like that on whether AI content is really good for your site or not, but it all comes down to whether Google is actually ranking that or not. In this video we are going to debunk that. We're going to debunk the myth that AI content doesn't rank. AI content isn't working. Okay, let's first of all hear what Google has to say about AI content. Okay, then we'll be getting into other stuff. If you see, this is exactly Google's word. Google says that our focus is on the quality of content rather than how content is produced. It's a useful guide that has helped us deliver reliable, high quality results to users for years. And this is pretty much same stuff that Google has been saying. Before AI content, there used to be spun content and stuff like that, and Google was pretty easily able to kind of deal with those stuff. It all comes down to what sort of content you're producing, what's the quality of content you're producing, whether you're just mass spamming search engines or you're actually adding value to it. Now, before I actually talk about other stuff, I just want to showcase one more thing, and that is the performance. This is one of our client. If you see, we were able to get 4.8 million impressions, 19k clicks within a span of 6 months. This was one. Other than that, we have another client. We are doing 12k monthly traffic for this one, and there are tons of others. What I want to showcase you is these all websites, they are having AI content. Are we spamming search engines? No, we are using a really good AI content pieces. Okay, we are not just spamming them, we are using a tool for that. Then our writers are kind of proofreading that, kind of editing the stuff that we think needs to be edited and stuff like that, and then we are actually publishing that. That's the reason why our websites are being showed above a lot other websites where people are actually writing manually, right? So that's the thing. Now, coming to what most AI tool does wrong, there are mainly three things. First, inaccurate information. See, when you're writing factual information, you gotta make sure that any stuff that you're putting on the blog post, that needs to be correct. Because obviously, if the fact is incorrect, in most of the cases you're not really gonna rank. Okay. Second, too generic way of content writing. I know. See, a lot of AI writing tools you have used, they use certain words, they use certain structures, certain patterns, which is pretty easy to kind of recognize whether it's written by AI or not. That's something you have to deal with. You have to kind of make sure that you are not doing that same mistakes. Otherwise, it's pretty easy for Google to actually judge that content as low quality content. Third, a kind of content that speaks that, hey, I am written by AI. Okay, again, same stuff. If you see a lot of blog posts written on internet, they have same pattern, they have same information, they have that generic content that any other websites are having. So you need to give better, you need to have something better on your blog post than any other competitor. You need to have certain elements, you need to have certain images, you need to have certain infographics if you can add them. That adds up to your blog post, that gives an edge over to you, or it gives a reason for Google or any other search engines to rank you above others. These things which I'm talking about, these are the stuff that makes a blog post high quality content. You have to think yourself, what makes a content high quality, right? It needs to satisfy intent, it needs to have certain images, infographics if needed, and stuff like that. It needs to answer the question that people are actually asking. If it kind of approves all these checklists, you are good. The content that you have got is pretty good. Now, coming to the most important one, how can you make sure that your AI content isn't bad? How can you make sure? For this, I use a tool named as tryjournalist.com. You can just go on tryjournalist.com and sign up for the plan. It's pretty affordable, and the reason why I use this is this. If you see, we have got an image over here, then we have got a table of content, then a really good introduction, then key takeaways, and a lot of stuff, combination skin characteristics, sensitive skin indicators, and a lot of stuff that screams that, hey, the content is of top-notch quality. We have also got a YouTube video embedded within that, a lot of images and whatnot. This is what I call high quality content. This tool is adding a lot of tables, a lot of key takeaways, table of content, internal linking, stuff like that. whatever is required to make sure that the content is high quality, the tool is doing that. And with a bit of proofreading and editing, you're good to go. The content that you're gonna publish to your website now, it's gonna be of top-notch quality. This is the reason why I use the tool. And yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you like this. If you have got any question, feel free to comment below. To sum it up, Google doesn't hate AI content, it hates low quality content. You gotta make sure that whatever content you're putting on your website is of top-notch quality. That was all for today's one. We'll see you on the next one. Till then, bye bye.